Driving the future, how connected vehicles are revolutionizing logistics and smart warehousing today. The logistics ecosystem is being transformed by the rise of connected vehicles equipped with IoT sensors and data-driven technologies. Connected vehicles, following standards like the SAE J3016, which defines the 6 levels of vehicle automation, are becoming a crucial part of logistics operations. These vehicles collect and transmit real-time data on location, speed, fuel consumption, and cargo conditions, as well as a variety of other attributes, which enables much more dynamic decision-making. For example, a number of logistics companies are employing level 2 and 3 autonomous vehicles that assist drivers by adjusting speed and steering based on road conditions. Smart warehouses, on the other hand, are governed by standards like ISO 9001 for quality management and are also integrating AI systems to optimize inventory management and automate the loading and unloading processes. The combination of these connected vehicles with smart warehousing systems creates a seamless flow of information, allowing for real-time adjustments to delivery schedules, inventory management, and routing. Cloud platforms that comply with ISO 27001 standards for data security play a critical role in managing and securing the vast amounts of data that are being transmitted between vehicles and the warehouses. By adhering to all of these industry standards, logistics companies can ensure safer, more efficient, and compliant operations that meet both regulatory and customer expectations. However, there are challenges, and one of the key challenges in adopting connected vehicle technology is integrating these new systems with legacy logistics infrastructures, many of which were not built with connectivity in mind. For example, logistics companies operating older fleets are often faced with upgrading their vehicles to meet the requirements of SAE J3016 standards for automation. These costs are associated with everything in upgrading smart vehicle systems, including the sensors that comply with V2X, vehicle-to-everything communication protocols. These can be prohibitively expensive, especially for small and mid-sized businesses. Furthermore, cybersecurity remains a significant concern as connected vehicles create far more entry points for potential cyber attacks. Ensuring that these systems comply with cybersecurity standards, such as ISO SAE 21434, which addresses road vehicle cybersecurity, is truly crucial for protecting sensitive data in connected logistics environments. Another challenge is the lack of a skilled workforce that understands both logistics operations and the technical requirements of managing connected vehicles and AI-driven warehouses. Logistics firms must also navigate some very complex regulatory frameworks, as connected vehicles and IoT technologies are subject to varying standards across different regions, which adds an incredible amount of complexity to global operations. Sustainability concerns also arise, as autonomous and connected systems may require significant energy to operate, potentially conflicting with ISO 14001 standards for environmental management. So how do we overcome some of these challenges? Well, it's suggested that logistics companies should adopt a phased approach to implementing connected vehicle technologies. For example, companies can start by retrofitting existing vehicles with IoT sensors that meet the SAE J3016 standard for partial automation. That allows them to benefit from real-time data collection without overhauling the entire fleet. Leveraging government incentives and grants aimed at promoting Industry 4.0 technologies can also help offset the costs of integrating these advanced systems. Ensuring that connected logistics systems comply with ISO SAE 21434 cybersecurity standards of course, helps mitigate the risk of data breaches while also ensuring compliance with those regulatory frameworks. And to address the skills gap, logistics companies can offer specialized training focused on IoT, AI, and autonomous vehicle programs. Of course, collaboration with technology providers and cybersecurity experts can further enhance system protection and ensure compliance with national and international standards. Sustainability concerns can be addressed by investing in energy-efficient autonomous vehicles, such as electric trucks, which not only reduce emissions, but also comply with ISO 50001 standards for energy management. By following these best practices and adhering to industry standards, logistics companies can integrate connected vehicles and smart warehousing technologies in a scalable, secure manner. So what's the future? The future of logistics will be driven by fully autonomous connected vehicles that comply with the highest levels of automation as defined by SAE J3016. These vehicles will communicate seamlessly with smart warehouses, enabling completely automated delivery processes. This use of V2X communication standards will allow vehicles to interact with each other, as well as with traffic management systems and warehouse operations, thus optimizing routes in real time and reducing fuel consumption. Predictive maintenance also will be enhanced by IoT sensors, allowing companies to proactively address potential vehicle issues before they result in costly breakdowns. In addition, logistics providers will increasingly adopt blockchain technologies, adhering to ISO IEC 20231 standards to enhance data transparency and security across the supply chain. The future also promises tighter integration between vehicles and smart warehouses, where warehouse systems can automatically allocate space and assign tasks based on real-time data from those connected vehicles. And as these systems evolve, compliance with evolving ISO SAE and cybersecurity standards will ensure that logistics operations remain safe, efficient, and legally compliant. By focusing on these advancements, logistics companies will be able to build smarter, more responsive, and more sustainable supply chains capable of meeting the demands of a rapidly changing market. So as for recommendations, logistics companies should prioritize the adoption of connected vehicles that meet industry standards, as we've discussed. You can start with partial automation and IoT sensors on existing fleets in a very cost-effective way to modernize current operations. Collaborating with technology providers is essential for developing tailored solutions that comply with global standards and industry best practices. Of course, companies must also prioritize the implementation of robust cybersecurity protocols, ensuring they meet ISO SAE 21434, as well as a variety of other cybersecurity standards in the domain. Retraining and upskilling the workforce on managing connected and electric vehicles, as well as smart warehouses, truly smooths the transition. Predictive maintenance strategies should be integrated into the logistics ecosystem, reducing downtime and overall costs. Of course, sustainability should be a key focus, with logistics companies investing in energy-efficient, electrified, autonomous fleets that comply with ISO 50001 standards for energy management. By following these recommendations and adhering to relevant standards, logistics companies can successfully harness the power of connected, electrified vehicles, as well as smart housing, and also the intelligent transportation systems around the world. So summing up, connected vehicles guided by SAE, ISO, and other international and national standards are truly reshaping the logistics industry. They're driving unprecedented levels of efficiency, automation, and real-time operational control. These vehicles, combined with AI-powered smart warehousing systems, are starting to enable logistics companies to significantly reduce errors, improve delivery times, and will enable logistics companies to significantly reduce errors, improve delivery times, and enhance overall efficiency. Predictive maintenance, fueled by this real-time data and aligned with SAE guidelines, will minimize vehicle downtime and overall ensure simply smoother operations. The integration of blockchain technology, again adhering to ISO guidance, will provide enhanced transparency and security across the entire supply chain. So the full potential of connected logistics ecosystems will be realized as autonomous vehicles and smart warehouses operate together under a unified set of global best practices and standards. Companies that do embrace these technologies and ensure compliance with evolving industry standards will lead the way in logistics innovation, creating smarter, more sustainable, and more customer-focused supply chains capable of adapting to the demands of a fast-paced global marketplace. Thank you for joining us today on the Sustainability Podcast, and we'll see you again on an episode very soon.